from the roots of our maple trees to our plate. You can't get any better than this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, this is Appalachian Farmstead, and you can see short sleeves. Holy smokes, 2 days ago it was 14 degrees in the morning. So you can see out through the trees there, absolutely gorgeous day. That's all going to change tonight into Thursday. Big storm system coming in, gonna suck. Rain, winds, thunder, lightning, dogs and cats getting along. It's gonna suck. So anyways, I'm just doing a little milling today. I have this this maple crotch on. Ta-da! So I'm gonna mill that up, and we'll see where we're at time-wise. I am going to, after almost 3 days now, the sap is running. It was running yesterday, and I can see a bucket over there. It's got about that much in it. So at the end of the day, I got to leave some time at the end of the day to go and collect all 74 buckets of sap, because that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. We will be boiling, because it's going to be just absolutely terrible out. So yeah, anyways, gonna get milling. Oh, geez, that's how you start off. Well, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Pretty nice stuff. All right, everyone. Can you see that? So, got a quarter of a bucket on that one. And a little less on that one, but down there, you probably can't see that, that's half full. So I'm gonna take it while I can get it. It's gonna be crappy and windy, so that one there is a good quarter. So I'm gonna go pick up some sap, and we'll be boiling tomorrow. All right, we are, can you see that? Full. And we're about halfway, we think. So we still got to go all the way down past the mill and then work our way back up this way to where the other side by side is sitting, the other Kubota. So we're going to go put this in the barrels and come back.
Close up the chickens?
Yeah. All right. So we're all done. And I'd say...
We would have been full, but I spilled a bucket.
Yeah, so, I don't know, 30 gallon, conservative. So 65 gallons. And weather's turning to crap tonight. So
the trees are running.
Yeah, the trees are running. I had a couple that were way down there. Man, the wind comes up across where the chickens and the solar panels are, and it rocks out across there. It blew the buckets over, and thank God a limb stopped it from going over the cliff. But all right, we're gonna go store this for the night, and I'll see you in the morning boiling. All right, it's the next morning, and you can hear it pouring down rain. Had the fire going around 6:45 or so this morning. So it's gonna be a long day, but we'll get her done. So not much to see here except steam rising and shoving wood in. You can see right there, look at the rain hitting the stack. But, yep, it's coming down. And so, anyways, I'll bring you back throughout the day, and then we'll end this video off and see how much we end up with. We got 65 gallons to do. All right, I'll talk to you later. Hey! Alright, so the weather's here. Check this out. I don't know if you can see how much it's raining, but it's raining a lot. So we got 65 gallons last night. Started boiling about 6:45, and I don't know. Anyways, we're boiling, and then we did chores. And now I just took a ride up after I did hay, and all the buckets were either half or 3/4 full. So we actually are getting more right now than we did yesterday. So I made it relatively close to halfway, and I've already had to go dump before I got to this point. I had 35 clean to the top, and then I had a bucket sitting in the back with about half a bucket in it just to get it. So you got to do this no matter what, no matter the weather right now. It kind of sucks. I am soaked clean in my underwear. And I mean, this is reality. This is homesteading. This is homesteading, the real homesteading. I mean, there's a lot of homestead channels out there. They buy 90% of their stuff at the grocery store, and they have cool setups and all, but if you want to bust your ass and do it the right way, this is how you do it. Yeah, look at the water running off that tree. That tree, if you see that, if you probably don't believe me, but my dad, grandfather, this was a field, and they farmed this field. This was a field at one time. Right there, barbed wire. That was what the barbed wire was on the tree. Well, that was half a bucket, and just that one. Yeah. Oh boy, I gotta get that camera down. Alright, the water's running right on my camera. What in the hell? Got one more right down there, and I get to move. So you guys get the gist. Just how bad it sucks out here. All right, I didn't make it to the end again. There's there's like 4 buckets right down in there. They're not big producers. I'm not worrying about it. I'm not coming back up for those 4 buckets. But we're full here, and we are full here, which this is probably going to splash out going down, obviously. So I'd say between yesterday and today we're at 140 gallons. So it's going to be a long, long boil. And can you see that? Here comes the wind. Alright, we're supposed to have severe thunderstorms, high winds, hail, everything this afternoon. So I'm going to go park, get some dry clothes on, get something to eat, and I'll catch you back in the sugar shack. Look at that, I rhyme. Alright guys, it is 8 o'clock at night. And still boiling. So what we have left is what's in here, which it's down a little bit, and we have both of these full plus that guy. So we've been boiling for 13 hours, and that was full when we started. So we're actually kind of freaking out because every time we fill this up wood, it takes weight out of this, and this is our wind deterrent. So we're supposed to have 60-mile-an-hour winds tomorrow, so I will have to get up first thing in the morning and go get a load of firewood and put back in that. Hey, chill out, dumb dog. But that's where we're at right now. So I don't know how late I'm gonna go tonight. Last time I did this, I went till 2 o'clock in the morning. Just put that thing full and let it burn without the fan. And when I got up in the morning, it was still steaming. So I know there's no way. We're probably going to have to boil all day tomorrow too, which sucks. So, yeah. But that's the update for now. I probably won't do another update until morning. So, alright. See you in a few. Good morning, everyone. Oh, it's, what is today? I don't know. Anyways, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I stayed up last night till about 12:30, close to 1 o'clock, and hear the goat. Goats weren't fed. They hear the voices. But, anyways, so I got all that done. That's empty. That one is still full. But still steaming. So we'll get this going. There was enough coals in there. I believe I can get a fire going without even doing anything. So that'll be great. And yeah. Alright. There it is. 1, 2, 3, basically 4 gallon, or yeah, 3.5 gallons. This is all that was left. We'll just use that. That's going to my daughter, and yeah, so 140 gallons of sap. There it is. So, a lot of work. but some delicious goodness. Thanks for watching, everyone. And we will catch you on the next one. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And go and check my new sawmill channel out. Appalachian Farm and Sawmill. Really appreciate it. Catch you on the next one.